Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a shirt in Roblox. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do is to simply go first to your Roblox and make sure that you're logged into your account. Okay, so go to roblox.com. If you haven't created an account yet, go to sign up or create an account. If you have an existing account, just tap login and they will just ask for your username or email address and also your password. So you just have to type it here, enter it here, and click login. And sometimes Roblox also will ask some verification. So you just have to answer whatever they show you in order for them to clarify and know that you are 100% human. Now, to start, you just have to you can go to create, or you can just simply go to create.roblox.com and then press enter. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, once you're here, you just have to go to avatar items that is next to events. As you can see, experiences, events, click avatar items. And then under filters, you can see here options like t-shirts, shirts, and another thing we have here is events. Now, if you tap this one, you can see here the t-shirts that we have created. But now we're going to tap shirts, create shirts. Okay, so click upload asset. Now here, if you have created your shirt, you just have to tap upload. But of course, we have not yet created one. So you just have to go to learn more to know or to read the instruction on how to create a Roblox shirts. So you just have to read the side here, classic clothing, for you to have information, but you just have to scroll down also and go to this part here. So this is shirts and pants. This is your template, okay? So this is your pattern or layouts whatsoever. All you have to do is to click save as and save this to your computer or device, okay? And then this is what it looks like. Now you just have to go to new tab, click the plus icon here, and then go to photo feed. Okay, this site is for editing, online photo editor. So you can edit your shirt here. Tap this X first, and then go to open from computer and locate the file that you have downloaded earlier. So here's your template. Now, in order for you to edit, actually, you can see here, right, up we have here torso, we have here right arm, left arm. So if you want to edit this part here and change this or replace this to image or color whatsoever, you just have to tap this square icon here and then drag the area that you wanted to delete or to replace. Okay, so all I have to do is just simply drag this one here and then click delete or remove or cut. So this is what I'm doing right now. You just have to drag this part here and also the other side is up and down. It's the same thing. You just have to drag and then click delete or cut, something like that. Okay, so after that, this is what it looks like. Now, to replace this with shirt design, all you have to do is to go to Google and then type shirt or t-shirt texture, okay? And then press enter. Now go to images and select that shirt texture that you wanted to use for your Roblox t-shirt. Feel free to use any of this, but you have to make sure that when you download this, it should be PNG. Okay, so as you can see, if I'm going to save as, it's not PNG. So I have to visit the site and then make sure that what I have downloaded is PNG. Okay, so you can go back to your photo feed, go to file, open and replace. tap the image or file that you wanted to import, click open. And then here, as you can see, it's covering our template. So you just have to drag this, go to background, move it to background. Okay, so here it is. Now you just have to simply adjust this to cover the whole shirt. Okay, the whole template. Okay, again, go to background and then replace this one. So here's the output. You can also simply do like this, and down here, you can just simply not include. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So actually, I can also add other image here. For example, I wanted to put something like an image in the front. Okay, something like that. So I just have to drag it here. And then I want to change down my right and arm to color red. So I downloaded a color red earlier and then go to file, open and replace, and then here it is. Now, once done, go to file, click export, and make sure that it's PNG. Okay, so go to export, click PNG, and then save this one. Okay, now you can go back to your Roblox and then go to upload. Okay, locate the shirt or the file that you have created earlier. Click open, and then here you can simply edit the name. Okay, everything is up to you. Let's just say Roblox shirt classic, and then here you can add description if you want. Okay, so okay, here I have to write best Roblox shirt, and then click upload. Okay, so it needs 10 Robux in order for you to create a shirt, right? So this is what it looks like and this is the result, but at this very moment, I cannot show you because it takes time. So there, I waited for a couple of minutes and this is the result. As you can see, it's the same texture, image, and then color. And then to see this one, all you have to do is just simply go to your Roblox, go to avatar, go to clothing, and go to classic t-shirts, and you can see there the result. You just have to reload and refresh to see the result. So again, I have to reload this site or this page, and here it is. Now I am currently wearing my Roblox shirt. So I really hope that this tutorial helped you on how to make your t-shirt or Roblox t-shirt. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.